How to change a little tiny bulb for the shift gear on the Honda Ridgeline. This is 2019 Honda Ridgeline Black Edition. If anybody is wondering how to change this little tiny bulb, all you have to do is there's one screws right there, two screws actually, and remove those, and then you just open that, and then you just gently pull this up. It'll come off like this, and it'll come out, and there's the bulb right there. And all you have to do is right there, just this little clip, just pull. Another clip here. There's I think 4 of them, but as soon as you move 2, those should come off. And see, it comes off. And I already changed the LED bulb. It's got the little red color. You can go with the red and yellow, and there's blue, and just in regular white. You can get it from Amazon. Here's the little tiny bulb, and I can show you what the bulb looks like. Well, when I bought this car, the factory didn't install that bulb. It's supposed to come with it, but somehow it was not installed, so I didn't care. So I ended up buying from Amazon. The one that I had before lasted about like a year, and for some reason it just burn out. And I got another one that looks like this. See, it's got the red color, and it's got the one on the top and side. There's 2 on the side, so it's pretty bright. So when you're done, all you have to do is you can remove this. If you wanted easy access, take this out. It comes out straight like that, like this, and then just put it back and just twist. I think it's a twist fit. You don't have to force it too hard. And anyway, just this little thing in there, you can just push it in and it'll stay there, right there. It's there. Now, when you put it back, just tuck this wire back in, and right there, boom, boom, and just slide it in. You're good to go. Then light turns on. At night, it's really bright. You see right now, you can kind of see that neutral is really red. Parking is somewhat red, but D and L is kind of white since it's got the white color. I get the display has a white color. So anyway, so you just put it back the way it is, like the way it comes back, and then you just slide it in and just push it down. And see that snap? You hear the snap? And push it. It's hard to do it with the one hand like that. See, like snaps in place. It's all good. That's good. And then you have 2 screws, and right here, 1 screw's right there. Well, you got the idea. So one there, and put that. And then little, what do you call that little? You just put this back, and you're done.